Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurhanisa binti Azali and I am from ZLG 1204A from UiTM Segamat. Today I am going to present about my business plan, which is called Wonder Gifts. So here it is. A little bit of introduction of myself. My name is Nurhanisa binti Azali and I was born on 7th July 2000. I am 20 years old and I was born in Johor, Malaysia. I majored in Diploma in English for Professional Communication in UiTM Segamat, and I am fluent in both Malay and English. In this slide, you can see my business team, which consists of me, myself, as the manager, and also along with my two workers. For the manager, the basic salary is 2,000 along with an EPF and also a PI, which can be a total of 2,299. While for the workers, the basic salary is 1,400 plus with an EPF, SOCSO and also EIS, which can be a total of 1,609 ringgit 20 cents per person. There is also a task for each person in this business where the manager would normally take over the overall performance, while for the production worker, she would take over the production part, and for marketing worker, he would normally plan and market the business. So let's look at the next slide. Why do I choose this business? Wonder Gift is a sole proprietorship based business focusing on making gift bouquets and boxes around the targeted location. We mostly focus on flowers, chocolates, balloons, and also stuffed dolls. Why do I decided to make this business is because due to COVID-19, we can see how it affected people from going outside and enjoy their social life. So, especially around the targeted market we choose, which is Kulai, there is no online shop that sell something like we did and also deliver it by themselves. So this is why we decided to make this business so people don't have to go out and buy gift to people that they love. They can just go to our website and just click here and there and make a payment before we send the preferred gifts that they choose. So the target market for this business is at Kulai, which is an area where I live. This is because I noticed that there is no such thing as online gift shop that provide the same service like we will do. And also we are focusing on 10% of total population in Kulai, which is 12,491 people, where the range of age is between 20 years old up until 15 years old. So let's go to the next slide. So the motto for this business is we give you only the best, where we change the word give into gift, where it is related to our business as well, which is a gift shop. So the vision for this online shop is that we want to be the most chosen shop in the sector of gift shop, especially an online shop, and be more widely known throughout Kulai and also the next target location, which is Johor. Our shop mission is to be able to meet with people's demand and also able to follow the trends that comes and goes very easily. Our hope is that we want to be successful and grow in the next 3 years. In this slide, this is the products that we make, where we focus on 4 important items that I have mentioned before, which is flowers, balloons, chocolates, and stuffed dolls, with the same price of 25 ringgit, including the delivery where we will deliver it by ourselves. We think that this business is a good online shop business because we make all the purchasing and payments through online, which is totally easy and convenient. So in this slide, this is the target customers for this business, which is in Kulai. There is a total population of 124,910 people, but we will take only 10% of the total population, which is 12,491 people for this business. For this slide, you can see that this is the market size and market share for this business. There are two competitors in this area. Yes, I do mention that there is no online shop in this area because these two competitors, which are Gift Blooms and Gifts and Ideas, are actually an international shop. They are still considered as competitors for our business, but they are not actually in this area. So let's take a look at the average market price, where the lowest price that we can get from those competitors is between 20 to 30 ringgit. The average market price is 25 ringgit, and that is our final price for our product. The total of market size would be 122,725 ringgit per year. After the entrance of Wonder Gifts, which is our business, they have a total of 90% market share, while Wonder Gift has a market share of 10%. So the market size for Wonder Gifts Enterprise is 312,272 ringgit 50 cents per year. The strategies for this business is that we produce gifts, bouquets, and boxes out of 4 important main items that we choose. We will make sure that the product is 100% based on the customer's demands and how they customize the gift. The price for all the gift will be totally the same, which is 25 ringgit including the delivery fee. So we set a really small target market, which is at Kulai, because we want to be able to deliver at all places at a very short time. So for the promotion of this business, a marketing worker is responsible for this, and we have decided that we would focus on 2 different platforms, which is Instagram and Facebook. This is because Instagram is for younger people, while for Facebook it is mostly for middle-aged people because they prefer socializing on Facebook. For this slide, you can see that this is an administration budget, where the total for this budget is 8,033 ringgit. Beside the table, there is a business registration from SSM for this business. The next slide is about the marketing budget. So the total for marketing budget is 8,064 ringgit. So for the next budget, that covers for operational expenditure, which has a total of 18,539 ringgit. For this slide, it shows how our business will be growing in the next 3 years. So that is what we expect our business to grow. This is a projected revenue or an income statement, and also a profit for our business. So after the deduction of all the expenses, we will get the net profit of 24,457 ringgit for the first year, and it will be increased to 5% and 7%. So the conclusion for this business plan that I have presented today is that we decided to proceed with this business because we believe that it fit with people's demands on this targeted market. So this is the end of my presentation for today. Thank you for watching, and Assalamualaikum.